Whoa! Today we're gonna be rolling to Arlington to work on a Honda. We're gonna be replacing the alternator on it.
Pulled up late on Lover's Lane. Dashboard lit like a runway close. Check engine light singing my name. Said, Herbs, tell me where to go. Oh. Grease on his hands, smile on his face. Coffee in a paper cup. Radio low, license plates from every place, maps on the wall.
All right, alternators are right there. You're gonna disconnect this battery cable. Disconnect this right here. Remove that belt. It's a tensioner. There should be a 14 millimeter on it. Alternator installed. Now we're gonna be checking out an Acura TL and a Mercedes SUV.